Hello. Today what I want to do is I want to go over a couple ways that I attach the MORA multi-mount sheath to the MOLLE webbing, and also how to make it into just a belt carry. It doesn't come with instructions, so this here may help a few people. First off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the knife off of the mount system. And the way I do that is unsnap that locking strap. This is a Velcro, and now I can take it off. And this here is your mounting bracket. Now, with this off, I'm going to first show you how to make it into just a normal type MORA standard carry. And it's very simple to do. So I've got this all together, and it comes with this strap right here. And I put it in underneath so it mounts on the mounting bracket. But I can snap that off, push down because these lock in place. Take this off, and now I can just slide this back on and it snaps in place. That is your standard belt carry there. And you can also use this right or left carry. Now this here, you cannot use this as well. As you see, it won't go up over. Now if you put it under this, which you can do, snap this into place, and then this will snap, and then you can put this on. But the problem is it doesn't lock in place. If you bend over, it can slip out and so on. So that's not preferred. But what I'm going to do now is just zoom you in to the MOLLE webbing and show you how I've got that set up. So this here, like I said, I slide this in behind, and how this would mount is I unsnap this strap, I put that through the hole up top here, I put this, the bottom, inside under there, and then I pull that up, I come over and I snap it. This portion, Velcro, just comes over like that and fastens. Now that's secure. I'm going to take it off now, so I just take that, pull that off, and it's dismounted. Now this, what I do is, this has a Velcro here. I unhook that, and now I can just pull to unleash that. Now to set this up, what I'm going to do is take this long piece of Velcro here, and I'm going to just slide this in the bottom, leave a little bit like that. Now what I can do is I will go through this second hole here and back out through. Like that. And now with this tag end here, the rest of it, I'm going to come up through both of these and through the top hole. This one goes through the bottom hole. Now all I have to do is pull tight. So how that happens is it goes through underneath here and up through these two. Now I pull that tight, bring this down like that. This Velcro here goes over top of both of them, holding it into place. That's the way the mount straps to your MOLLE. Do that one more time. To release this, I can just do that and it's released. So what I'm going to do again is going to put this down through like that, in through the second, back out through, up through this one and the second one. And then through the top. This one here on the bottom goes through the bottom slot. Now we're all set to place your Velcro back on it. Tighten it up, go like this. This here just lays on and fastens it all. The knife, I'm going to slide this in underneath. Put my strap through the top. Fasten it. And then I'll just fix this Velcro here. Comes across. And she's all set. So this here is just a couple ways you can use this with the MOLLE or a belt carry. And I hope that may help a few folks if they're wondering how you can set it up. Now, appreciate you watching, and I hope you liked the video, but I'm going to get back to hunting. The sun is starting to set. Take care, and all the best.